Tonight, a Cobb County student who was expelled for allegedly warning others about a school shooting is now going back to class. A judge reversed the expulsion, saying there was no evidence that he intentionally created a disruption. Atlanta News First reporter Chelsea Beimfor is live at 5 from the Cobb County Superior Courthouse. So, Chelsea, what does this ruling mean?
Well, Carly, it means the student is now back in school and that his record will now be wiped clean. His attorney says he was just trying to do the right thing and was scared after another school shooting had just taken place in Metro Atlanta.
I think legally it's problematic, constitutionally it's problematic.
Attorney Claire Sherburne is talking about the Cobb County School District's decision to expel a student who was allegedly warning others about a possible shooting at Campbell Middle School.
And this was 2 days post Appalachia.
Sherburne is representing that student. She says he's a minor and is autistic. He's only being identified by his initials, GD. Sherburne says GD overheard someone talking about a school shooting that was supposed to happen during lunch. So he sent messages to friends trying to warn them after 2 students and 2 teachers had recently been gunned down at a high school in Barrow County.
This was like a really scary time for adults and of course also for kids. GD was 13 at this time, so this felt like a credible threat. He was scared and he did what many of us would do, which was like send out a warning message to his friends.
Sherburne says her client used his school-issued laptop to send those messages to other students who then shared them online.
It's true that his messages got kind of circulated throughout the school, not by him, by other students.
Cobb County Schools expelled GD for 9 months, saying he violated district policy and intentionally created a major school disruption. But his family challenged that expulsion in court and won. A Cobb County judge recently reversed the ruling, saying there was no evidence he intended to cause a disruption. Sherburne says now GD and his family can move forward.
They were just thrilled to sort of feel vindicated that they were right when they knew instinctually that this was wrong.
Cobb County Schools told us that due to privacy laws, they couldn't tell us a lot about this case, but they say they encourage any students and parents to come forward if they hear of any safety threats and report them to the district. Reporting live from the Cobb County Courthouse, Chelsea Beimfor, Atlanta News First.